Forget everything you think you know about the AI takeover. The real revolution isn't happening in the software, it's happening in the hardware, and it's moving at the speed of light. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. While the world cries over AI stealing jobs and skyrocketing electric bills, a breakthrough in photonic chips is about to change the game forever. Right now, your phone and computer are essentially tiny heaters. Traditional silicone chips work by shoving billions of electrons through metal pipes. This creates massive friction and heat, forcing data centers to suck up oceans of water and enough electricity to power entire cities just to stay cool. It's a dirty, expensive secret that's driving up tech prices and killing the planet. But thankfully, now we have photonic chips. Instead of relying on sluggish, hot electricity, these chips use photons, actual particles of light. Imagine replacing a congested, steaming highway with a beam of pure energy. Because light doesn't face the same resistance as electricity, these chips don't get hot. They don't need massive cooling systems, and they don't waste water. Plus, a single beam of light can carry multiple streams of data at once, something electricity simply can't do. As a result, scientists are seeing prototypes that are 50 times faster and 30 times more energy efficient than the best chips on the market today. We're talking about a world where AI is smarter, faster, and for once, eco-friendly. While we used to worry that friction was the speed limit for technology, light-powered chips have just smashed through the ceiling. AI isn't going anywhere, but thanks to these photonic chips, it might stop costing us the Earth. The future isn't just electric, it's light, and it's saving the planet. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.